Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It feels like it's been forever since I've actually stood here and talked to you guys. Today we're going to be doing like a fall get ready with me, and we're going to be doing a Q&A along with it. So I haven't done anything like this before where I'm going to be like talking about something other than my makeup. So I don't know, this video could be 30 minutes long, it could be 4 minutes long. We'll see how it goes. Anyways, yeah, let's get into the video. So I asked a bunch of questions on my blog Instagram, which is at Rose Petals and Faith. It'll be linked down below, and everything else will be linked down below as well. I asked you guys just to ask me any questions that you wanted, and you guys blew me up. I've got a bunch of questions to answer, so this should be good. This should be fun. So the first thing I like to do is moisturize. So I'm going to be taking this Glam Glow Illuminating Moisturizer, and I'm just going to be putting it on my face. Sorry guys if I cough or whatever. I have a sinus infection, so that's fun. Anyways, we'll go with it. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna make the best of it. Okay, so the first question was my favorite thing about my homeschool experience, and I think it had to be the Christian curriculum that we used, which was Abeka. I loved everything about it, and I think my favorite thing about it was the teachers, because you could tell that they cared about what you cared about. They cared about teens, and they had a passion and they had a heart for their students. I think that made the experience more fun and special because you knew that everyone cared about you. And as far as like being homeschooled in a different setting, I think my sister and I formed a really close bond through it. And I don't know, yeah, we just enjoyed homeschooling together, and we became closer because we were just classmates and whatever and whatnot. But yeah, I think it would have to be the teachers and then the bond that my sister and I formed. Next, I'm going to be going into, my favorite is just this BB cream. I like to put a little bit of it on and blend it on my face. It's Physicians Formula. Physicians Formula, if you don't know, is my absolute favorite makeup product ever. I love it. Next question is my favorite book series. My all-time favorite I think would have to be Dee Henderson's The O'Malley series, but another good book series is Colleen Coble's The Lone Star series. Next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Physicians Formula BB Concealer. Someone asked, what are some of your favorite fall makeup items? Definitely that Glam Glow Illuminating Moisturizer is one of my favorites, because when my skin's dry and whatever, I can just put that on and it literally makes my face radiate without anything else. And I love, love, love that. It just gives you a pretty glow even if your skin is really dry. I feel like transitioning from summer to fall and then into winter, your face just, I don't know, my face gets really dry and gross. So the Glam Glow Illuminating Moisturizer is one of my favorites. As far as like, maybe not products, but favorite just items in general, I love different lip glosses and trying different lipsticks. I'm not into like super dark, but I can do like the nude and the fun colors like that. I do like playing around with eyeshadows, different fall colors. One of my favorite eyeshadow palettes for the fall is this ColourPop Color Me Pretty eyeshadow palette. I don't know, it's got really pretty gold sparkles and different matte colors. So the next thing that I'm going to do is just take this Super BB powder and just put it all over my face. Just a really good powder just to set all of your makeup. The next question is my favorite Bible verse. I think my favorite Bible verse for like 4 or 5 years now has been Romans 8:28. And we know that all things work together for good to them that love God, to them who are the called according to his purpose. I think it's just been a really good promise to hold on to. I was going through a very difficult back surgery. I had scoliosis, so that was a really good just promise to hold on to. I remember my grandfather gave it to me, or he showed it to me before or while all the surgery stuff was happening, and I was kind of just not very excited about it. He gave it to me, and it was just a good hope for me to hold on to. So the next question is, what's my favorite book? I'm gonna take, I think, this blush. It's really pretty. Maybe mix it with this one just a little. What's my favorite book? I recently read Because You're Mine by Colleen Coble. Colleen's just my favorite, one of my favorite authors anyway, so I don't know, I like bragging on her. She kept the plot super interesting and it was just a very action-packed mystery, you don't know what's going on kind of book, and I love that. It was, I don't know, I really recommend that book, and she's a very good Christian fiction author as well. Ice cream or cake? I don't know, it depends on what mood I'm in. Cake's good. I think I would eat ice cream more than I would cake, so maybe ice cream? I don't know. Favorite season? Okay, I go back and forth, but I think my favorite season would have to be summer, just because of the things you get to do and like the swimming. But I also love fall, and we're in fall right now, we're transitioning into fall. I just love the cooler weather. Like by the time summer's over with, I'm ready for fall. So I'd have to say either summer or fall. Ooh, favorite song. Okay guys, okay, so Lawson Bates came out with Like the Rain, I think that's what it's called. And it's officially my new favorite song. I told my friend the other day I want that to be the song I dance to with my husband. Our first dance on our wedding. So yeah, love that song so much. Update on your writing career / books. Okay, so I can't give out too much, but I am hoping to have, my first Christian fiction book out by the end of the year. I'm hoping. It's just a long process, and you want to make for sure that there aren't any mistakes or little plot holes or whatever. You want to make for sure like your book's your best. I'm hoping to have it out by the end of the year, so if you want to stay tuned, make sure you're following all of my social medias and my blog, and just be paying attention, turn on all those notification bells. I'm working on the second and third book, editing the second and writing the third. So yeah, I don't know, that's where I am right now, my writing adventure. I'm doing college classes along with all of that. This question is most successful DIY I've ever done. You know, this is kind of hard because I don't know how successful my DIYs are. I've done as probably, I want to say, I don't know. We made pumpkin crates. If I can find a picture, I'll insert it in the video. We made little pumpkin crates in our church class. And I feel like they turned out really well. I found them on Pinterest. They turned out super cute. And I think I did a blog post on them. It was really fun and it was easy, and they turned out really cute for the fall. I'll insert that one because that's fall and, you know, cute, so. And maybe I will link the blog post down below. Okay, so the next question, fun and different weekend plans. Ooh, okay, so my friend and I and my sister are all hoping to go to the homecoming football game here this weekend, and we're hoping to go out, eat, whatnot beforehand. Oh my gosh, Addie, she asked here, I'm just gonna throw it out because she won't care. My friend asked, who's your BFF? Well, Addie, I think you know it's you. You're stuck with me, I'm stuck with you. You know, this is our situation. You're my best friend. There's nothing you can do about it. We'll do the ColourPop palette, and I'll just show you guys what I like to use in it. I'm just going to pat this like little nude color everywhere. Next question is, do you have any pets? I have one Yorkie who is very spoiled. I think he's gonna be 4 in November. Yeah, he's gonna be 4 in November, and that makes me sad because I still think of him as a puppy. We have 3 beagles. Love them to death. They're really cute and they're good with people. We'll pat out this right through here. Next question is, can you give us a hint about your book? I'll give you a line from my first book. He wanted to talk and she wanted more than anything to see him smile. Oh, does that like interest you? Period. Does it? I hope it does. I don't know, it's kind of exciting. I really like it. If you want to see a more in-depth hint or like sneak peek, go to my Instagram and look for a muffin picture. It should be sitting on a teal like cake stand, and you'll find like a little sneak peek to my first book. Next question, favorite holiday? I think my favorite holiday would have to be Christmas, and I think it's just because family gets to get together. You're obviously celebrating the birth of Jesus, and I don't know, I really like Christmas. It's just, it seems like you get to celebrate it for months and months, and if you look past all the stress and the getting gifts and all of that, it's a really fun holiday that you get to cherish with other people. How did you get into writing? Going back to Dee Henderson's series, the O'Malley series, she really changed my perspective and things and encouraged me in my walk with the Lord. And I think that's when I started to be like, I want to do that for someone else. And I started writing. I don't know, the Lord placed like the 3 books that I'm working on now on my heart. And soon after, like, my friends started encouraging me to, you know, just keep writing and to work on all of my ideas. And soon enough I had plenty of ideas and just things to go off of, and I started doing my classes. So I don't know, I love it. I think that's what inspired me though, was Dee Henderson's books. We're gonna take this color right here and just go in the inner corner. Who inspired you to start writing for the ideas of your book? I'd have to say my mama, cause like she really threw out a bunch of just different ideas for these first books, and I'd say she's the one who really was like, hey, this is what you can do. She just really encouraged it, so I appreciate that. Do you have any fun YouTube video ideas for the future? Hints. I've got a few ideas. I saw a suggestion for like hairstyles, so I'm thinking about doing something like that in the future. But if you guys have any video suggestions, please leave them down below, because I am so open to fresh ideas. Something that you guys would be interested in, because I want to put content out that you guys like. So please comment down below any video ideas. I am going to use the Mari Badescu facial spray. It's the cucumber and green tea with aloe. I'm just going to squirt it all over my face, that way everything sets and stays in place and it just kind of glows a little bit. Favorite best fall snack? Oh, I tasted that. It doesn't taste good. My best fall snack, hands down, caramel apples, because what is fall better than caramel apples? I love the Voluminous Superstar X Fiber Waterproof mascara. I think this is L'Oreal. Yeah, pretty sure. And I will answer the last question. What's your favorite thing about fall? So besides the weather like cooling down, I think it's just like the cozy vibe what fall comes with. Like all the warmer colors, the twinkling lights, like being able to wear hoodies and sweatshirts without dripping with sweat, the little pumpkin festivals, all the fun things that just, I don't know, come with fall. I think that's my favorite thing about fall. It's just like the really cozy vibe. Comment down below what's your favorite thing about fall. This is a sample. I don't know what color this is called. Tainted. So we're gonna try it. I'll be honest, I normally just go for like a gloss. So I think that is it for my fall makeup routine in the Q&A. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was fun for me just to get to talk to you guys again and just hang out for a little bit. So comment below if you liked this video and if you liked just getting to talk again, the talking kind of videos. I will see you guys soon in another video. Bye!